So we've launched 4 phones today, 1 feature phone and 3 smartphones. We have launched a very unique phone, which is the W6610, which contains a 5300 mAh battery. It's a quad-core phone, mainly for the business professionals who really need long battery time for their phones, because people are using so many applications today on their phone. It's really a drain. And today we have the phone which can match up to the expectations of the consumers. Yeah, so I want to say that today the penetration as far as the smartphone is concerned is still very low. It's only about 15% of the market which has actually gone into the smartphone story. The 85% is still the feature phone, and this is going to change over the next few years. I think we have made the at the right time into the Indian market, because that growth is still to happen, and we would like to be a part of that growth story.
There are so many brands in the market, the LG, Motorola, Samsung, so they have phones in every range, and their design and build quality is also not very compromised. So how Philips stands in this category?
So we have we have our own design centers, we have our own manufacturing. That's the strength that we derive. The other point is, in terms of our phones, we have phones which are high on feature spec, and we would like to offer the differentiator to the Indian consumer. And the Indian consumer today know about the Philips experience. Philips has touched everybody's lives at certain point of time, and I think we live up to that commitment to give a quality product to our consumers. Yeah, so the reason for us, we were into the feature phones earlier into the Indian market. We have gone into the smartphone story now. The market had done a complete shift. So the growth was coming out of the smartphone story, and we didn't have a smartphone in the last 2 years to operate in the market. Today we have the smartphones available in our portfolio, and we would like to kind of offer that to our consumer, and we are ready to run with our smartphone story. So beside the basic hygiene factors that are required for the business, that will be put in place. I think it's for Philips to connect to consumers is not that difficult, because as a brand it's a very strong brand, and as far as quality is concerned, I think consumers can expect good quality product. So we have tied up with Excel Frontline, which is our service partner in India. They have 165 service centers, so the service will be available to the consumers through their network. Yeah.
For latest news and reviews of gadget and games, visit www.techmagnifier.com.